Hello everyone, this is Swati from Department of CSE, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. I am here under the guidance by Dr. M. Prasad, PhD, Associate Professor from the Department of CSE, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. My problem statement is write a C program to swap two numbers using call by value and reference. Now we will go into the program. First, we have to take the header file hash include stdio.h. Then for swapping, we have to take the function void swap int a comma int b. Then declare the integer variable temp. For swapping, we have to store a value in temp and then b value in a and finally temp value in b. Then take the printf statement. Inside swap function a is equal to percentage %d, b is equal to percentage %d. For main function, we have to take integer variable num1 and num2 and then take the printf statement for printing numbers. First, print the first number and scan it and then print the second number and then scan it. Next, take the printf statement before calling swap num1 is equal to percentage %d, num2 is equal to percentage %d. Next, call the swap function swap of num1 comma num2. Finally, print the statement printf after calling swap num1 is equal to percentage %d, num2 is equal to percentage %d. This is the function to swap two numbers using call by value. Then move to the another program. This is about function to swap two numbers using call by reference. In this, first we have to declare the integer variable temp. Temp provides the value at the address p and star p provides the value at the address q and then star q provides the value of temp. Then for main function we have to take the integer variables x and y. Then print and scan the values of x and y and then take the printf statement. Before swapping, num1 is equal to percentage %d, num2 is equal to percentage %d. Next, we are calling function swap. Swap of ampersand num1 comma ampersand num2. Here we are calling function containing parameters ampersand x and ampersand y. Then finally print the printf statement printf after swapping num1 is equal to percentage %d, num2 is equal to percentage %d. This is program of using call by reference.
Hi everyone, welcome to Learn C. This is Padmasri, currently pursuing my graduation in CSE course in SWEC, Bhimavaram, and I am here under the guidance by Dr. M. Prasad Sir, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, SWEC, Bhimavaram. And my problem statement is find resultant string after concatenating uncommon characters of given strings. Given two strings S1 and S2. The task is to concatenate uncommon characters of the S2 to S1 and return this resultant string S1. And here let us see some examples. Taking the input of two strings, string 1 as AACDB and the string 2 is GAFD and the output is CBGF. And let us see another example. Taking the input of two strings as S1 equal to ABCS and S2 equal to CXZCA and the resultant output we get is BSXZ. Okay, let us go into the program. Take hash include stdio.h and then hash include string.h. Let us take a function to find the unique characters. This function finds the unique characters from the both strings and we have to initiate the two string values and the result which is stored from the two strings in that. Next, initiate the integers like idx equal to 0, I, j, comma is common. Here idx keeps the track of position in the result string I and j are the loop counters. Is common is the flank to check whether a character is common between S1 and S2. Let us take a loop I equal to 0. S1 of I is not equal to /0 I plus plus. Let us initiate is common equal to 0 and then take the for loop j equal to 0. S2 of j is not equal to /0 j plus plus. If S1 of I equal to S2 of j is common equal to 1, then break. If not is common, result idx plus plus equal to S1 of I, and then close the for loop and then initiate and the for loop I equal to 0. S2 of I is not equal to /0 I plus plus, and initiate is common equal to 0 and write the another for loop j equal to 0. S1 of j is not equal to /0 j plus plus. If S2 of I equal to S1 of j, then writes is common equal to 1, then break it. Next, if not is common, result idx plus plus equal to S2 of I, then close the for loop and write result idx equal to /0 and semicolon. And next write the main function into main and declare the characters S1 of 100 comma S2 of 100 comma result 200. Printf enter the first string scan of percentage f comma S1. Printf enter the second string and scan it percentage s comma S2 and call the function as find unique characters S1 comma S2 comma result. Printf unique characters percentage s /n result return 0.